Oh, welcome to the weather. Just over here, it's fucking gonna be fucking boring and like fuck all happens, because it never does. Over in Ireland, there's no clouds, so you can go out and get your kites and all that shit if you want, but basically fuck all's gonna happen, and I mean it. And I mean, down here by London, there's gonna be loads of snow and snot and pieces of dog shit and all that stuff flying out of planes and fucking all that type of gear. But over there, up the coast and all that, you can see lots of 1s and 2s in the sky. And if you look up, you'll see a number 2 with a minus next to it, which will look fucking stupid, especially when it's pissing down. Then there's going to be all these lines all over the country with the word low in the middle of Spain somewhere. So if you're driving around and see a big L, then you know, don't drive into that because it'll fuck you over. Lots of people will be firing arrows over from fucking Denmark and Sweden, and as you can see, they're going to be landing somewhere in the UK. If you get one of them in your head, it's going to hurt like fuck, I'm telling you that now. On Monday, there'll be numbers all over the country, 1s, 3s, and big white dots with fucking minus 5s in and all that. So if you're driving up and down the country, be careful you don't drive into them, because it'll be a right twat, I'll tell you. Over this side, there'll be people throwing buckets of talcum powder at each other, and that's why it's gone white. As you can see, there's all the talcum powder. This week it's going to be staying cold, there's going to be further snow, I'll be in the house, I don't give a fuck, you can fuck off. As far as I'm concerned, I'll be here in the warm. Over there on the north coast of Great Britain, we've got loads of the silly lines again, and they'll be moving gradually west in towards the United States, where they have different sets of lines. Up the top end of Great Britain, you've got a white hat on top of Scotland. It looks rather nice, like a beanie, and there's them fucking numbers again going down to London. What a twat. Anyway, on Wednesday, there's going to be lots more weather coming over from like the top down of England down to the bottom here. There's going to be lines with red and blue dots fucking everywhere. Birmingham's going to not be cloudy. Up the top, that stupid white hat's on the top of Scotland, moving slowly down in towards Portsmouth and in the Midlands, and you'll see talcum powder again. And then lots of fucking more lines on top of the country. Thursday's not much better. I'll be fucking off somewhere nice and warm, so you can all stick the weather up your arse, and I won't give a shite. Over in Northern, there's going to be lots more talcum powder, bits of white dots, numbers, some fella over there with another fucking big hand, and then all the other shit. There's a big load of white patches in Birmingham. Couldn't tell you what it is because I haven't got a fucking clue. I just want to go to the alehouse for a pint. Over in Northern Ireland, you've got Belfast, and over there you've got a big egg full of fucking semen. And great, fantastic. See you later.